everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here, back with lesson 501, linear equation review. So remember, there are three forms of an equation. The first one is slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. Remember that the y is your y-coordinate point, x is your x-coordinate point, b is your y-intercept, and m is your slope. So in this example, y equals 5x plus 3. Determine what the slope and y-intercept is. So in this case, the slope is 5 and the y-intercept is 3. So you try. What is the slope and y-intercept for this equation? Y equals negative 4x minus 8. The slope is negative 4, and your y-intercept is negative 8. The second form of a linear equation is point-slope form. It's y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And if you recall, y1 is your y-coordinate point. x1 is your x-coordinate point. M is still your slope. So in this example, y minus 5 is equal to 5 times the quantity of x plus 3. Determine your slope and then the coordinate point. So in this example, my slope is 5. I'm going to put the slope over here, and my slope is 5. And my coordinate point, the point on the line, is negative 3, 5. The reason it's negative 3 is because if you recall, it's x minus x1. So if we have a plus sign here, it means that we did x minus negative 3. Minus a minus is a positive. So, which is where we got that sign. And then we did y minus 5, which means this must be positive 5. So the point on the line is negative 3, 5. So you try this. What is the equation of the line in point-slope form that has a slope of 4 and goes through the point negative 4, 2? So the point-slope form of the equation is y minus y1 equals m times quantity of x minus x1. If you remember that the slope of 4, so we'll put that in there. This is your x-coordinate point. Put it in here, and your y-coordinate point, you put it in here. If you put those all together into the equation, you get y minus 2 is equal to 4 times the quantity of x minus negative 4. And when we simplify that, we end up with y minus 2 is equal to 4 times the quantity of x plus 4. The last form of a linear equation is the standard form of the equation, where ax plus by equals c. A must be positive. B and c can be negative. Y equals the y-coordinate point. X equals the x-coordinate point. And this formula is helpful for finding the x and y intercepts. So here's one to try. What are the x and y intercepts in the equation? Write your answer as a coordinate point. So I want you to try this on your own, and then we'll go over it. If you recall, to find the x-intercept, you set y equal to 0. Then you insert it into the equation. And so you have x, 4x, that's supposed to be a 4, 4x plus 6 times 0 is equal to 24. Then you solve for x. And so you have 4x is equal to 24. Let's move that one up. And x is equal to 6. And so your x-intercept is at 6, 0. To find the y-intercept, we're going to set x is equal to 0. So we set x is equal to 0, and we insert that into the equation we were given. So it looks like 4 times 0 plus 6 times y equals 24. So then we solve for y by setting 6y equals to 24. And in the case of y is equal to 4. And so our y-intercept is at 0, 4.